this video, I will show you how to turn on hotspot on an Android phone. First of all, go to Settings. Then find Mobile Network and click on it. Here you will see Personal Hotspot. Click on it. Then you can turn this on or turn it off from here. And from the hotspot setting, you can edit your name, you can set a password. Then from the connection management section, you can set a connection limit, you can set a data usage limit, etc. Once you're done with all of it, every time you want to open your hotspot, what you can simply do is go to your control center. Here you will see a personal hotspot icon. You can turn it on or turn it off, and that's it. That's how you can turn on hotspot on an Android phone. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.